And now we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other.
Hello, friends, and welcome to a little sneak peek at some of my fall decor. I've gotten a few pieces over the last few days, and I have kind of put them together and wanted to share them with you, along with a quick DIY. So I just want to show you this cute little pumpkin motif I got actually at Big Lots, and everything else is the same. But I'm going to share with you a quick DIY, and then I'm just going to show you a few pieces, and then on Friday this week, so I think that's October 6th, will be my full home tour. So stay tuned and let's get on to that DIY. Okay, so for this project, what we're going to need is a roll of peel and stick wallpaper and whatever mirror that you have. And this one I got from Hobby Lobby some time ago, and it has an antique shape, but you could get it anywhere from like a thrift store or anywhere like that. So what you do is you trace it, and then you go ahead and you stick it on the mirror, making sure you try to get out all the little lumps and bumps that you get along the way. Make sure it's where you want it. And then you're going to take a razor blade or something sharp, and you're going to go around the edges, and you're just going to cut it off, and then you're going to peel off the excess. Now mine didn't come out perfect, so I may have to go back in there and just like piece together a little piece here or there. But it was my first try, but I think for a first try it was just beautiful. And it's an easy way to have a beautiful piece of original art in your home. And I hope you guys want to try it, and make sure you let me know if you do. So this is one of the pieces that I have recently thrifted, and I got this at Savers the other day, and it was only $3, but I just kind of love the Scandinavian design to it, and I thought it would be so pretty in my hutch. And I'm only showing you this piece. I'm not going to show you the rest because that will be in my fall home tour on Friday. And this crock was only, I think I paid $3.99 for it. So it was so affordable, and I just love it. Something else I wanted to show you was the shelf that actually my son made for me. I think he was like in 7th grade wood shop. And so he's almost 30 now, so that goes to show you how old it is. But I had my husband hang it up above the door, and I just put 2 thrifted baskets in it that I got recently, again at Savers when we went this past weekend. And I just threw a few fall florals in there, but I just love the way it looked over the door. And I think I'm gonna put maybe like 2 more hooks in there so I can hang up 2 more, slender baskets. But I love the way that looks as well. So other cute little things I found is, look at this adorable little pie dish. It has a little green stripe on it, and it has the lattice top. There's nothing in it, but I thought it was just so adorable, so kind of English grandma chic, if you will. So I did grab it, and then I needed a new butter dish, so I grabbed this one as well. And I think this was $1.99, and then I think this was $3.99. But I absolutely loved it, and I had to have it, so I did grab it. My husband bought apple cinnamon donuts. So we won't talk about those because obviously I ate half of one, and we did share the rest with my parents when we went over there. But apple cider donuts, that's what they are. But again, I got the butter dish, and I did pick up this cute little pie thing. I don't know where it's from originally. There's no markings on it, but I've never seen one like so small and so cute. So I did grab those 2 items as well. This is what it looks like hanging up and done over the bed. So obviously, I need to get some more artwork or something for either side, but I just think it looks so pretty and so vintage, and I love the bold colors and the kind of brushed gold frame. And then it's our bed, but I don't want to show you too much because there are a few other things in here I'm going to show you. Let's get a little closer, but that's what it came out looking like. So now we're in the den, and I had my husband hang up this little wooden shelf, and this was in our kitchen in our old house, and I just put a few dried flowers, a pumpkin, and then I had a little bird statue, so I kind of put him in the flowers. I thought he was so cute. A little mercantile sign, and then just some other vintage photos. I don't want to show you too much in this room because, again, that will be in my fall home tour. Here's little Miss Serena on the bed. She always has to be where you are, and she's just so cute. She wanted to come in and say hello as well. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Again, it's just a little pop-up video. I wanted to share a few items. And don't forget to join me Friday for my fall home tour, part 2, but it is a full home tour. And I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you Friday, and let me know if you guys are gonna try that DIY. And if you do, send me some pictures. I would love to see them. And Serena says goodbye as well. And have a blessed day, guys. I'll see you on Friday.
It'd be worth the time.